Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to put the paper into the scanner on your HP Smart Tank 580. So first, let's open up the scanner right here. After we open the scanner, let's grab us a paper that we want to scan. And now here we will have the triangle right here, not the triangle exactly, but we need to, if we have a paper like that, we need to place it like that and then into this corner. So this basically indicates the corner, that it has to be pushed into the corner, and it should match either A4 or 8.5 by 11 inches. So after that, let's close it up, and then you guys can either use your app or the printer itself, but remember to put the paper in the paper tray right here, right behind it. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.